Hi, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to debug with error messages. So far, you've used the go-to command in a few Tracy programs. As you were writing your programs, you may have come across a message like the ones shown here. This message means that your program had a bug. A bug in programming is like an error in the code. Bugs cause our programs to do unexpected things, like not run or have Tracy do something we were not intending. Bugs are part of the programming process. All programmers, including expert ones who program for a living, make mistakes as they program. Debugging is when you look for an error in your program and you fix it. Error messages can help us figure out what's wrong with our programs, and they can give us a lot of information to help us fix the issue. So how do you use error messages to debug programs? Debugging is a process. Start by running the program. This helps you identify what your program is doing right and if your program has any bugs. If there is a bug, you'll probably get an error message. Read the message closely. Use the information in the error message to fix the mistake. A lot of the time, the message will tell you exactly what line your mistake is on. Then start again. Run the program to see if you fixed the mistake. If you get another error message, read it and use that information to fix the bug. Debugging is a cyclical process, meaning we may have to go through the process a few times before our program works perfectly. Now that you know about debugging, it's your turn to give it a try.